Hello everyone and welcome to this video session of Output Server Delivery Pathway and Job Flow. Output Server provides delivery to a range of destinations which includes printer, fax, email, web, SMS, file, FTP, SFTP, info archive, Extreme and many more destinations. Next, let's look at delivery pathway. A generic delivery pathway starts with the client where the user submits the job. The job then travels to the logical destination and is assembled into subjobs. The subjob is authorized to ensure that the client or user initiating the delivery request has permissions to deliver to that logical destination. The subjobs are validated to ensure the attributes attached are valid to the logical destination. Next, the subjob goes to the queue. In queue, there are three types: first in, first out, priority batch, or smallest subjob first. The queue keeps the subjob until the physical destination is ready to process the next job. Once in the physical destination, the subjob is analyzed by the output server and transformed to appropriate output file format if necessary. Once these operations are completed, the subjob is sent to the device. Corresponding to this, we will look at the job flow at every stage of delivery pathway. The job goes through several job states before it's completed. Job is in start state when the user has submitted the job. When it moves to the logical destination, it is in pre-processing state. As the job moves from logical to the queue, it goes into the pending state and then waits until the physical destination is ready for the next job. The job is picked from the queue and moved to the physical destination where it is considered processing. Even as the job is being delivered, it is still considered processing until it's complete. Once completed, job is stored in the job database and now the job is in retained state. Next, let's look at an example where we submit a job through command line. So this would be the syntax followed. Many of the commands for creating, modifying and deleting objects starts with PD. -c class argument defines the class of the object on which to perform the command, such as server, destination or queue. -8 defines the level of detail, if any. -x attribute value sets attributes for object being created. It consists of one or more attribute specifications separated by spaces and enclosed in quotes. Each attribute consists of an attribute name followed by its value. Object specifies the name of the object. In here I have taken the example of a file destination. To create delivery objects, we use PD commands. It allows users to create logical destinations, queues and physical destinations. PDPR command is used to deliver a job to destination. PDLS command is used to list object attributes. PDLS and PDQ commands are used to obtain status of jobs, subjobs, servers and other objects. Now let's execute this example on a command line to understand better. I have logged into a Linux machine and I have already installed Output Server with internal Postgres. Let me check the server status. So all the servers are running. Next I am entering the commands where logical, queue and physical will be created. So here Q file, L file and P file are the name of the objects of queue, logical and physical. Since we are submitting a job to file destination, in the physical we specify the path or file directory where the job will be submitted to. In this case, the job will be submitted to temp folder under Dazzle Home var directory. In the attribute, we also specify the file permissions. Now let's submit a job using PDPR command. Here I am using hosts document to submit the job. So here we can see that the request is successful. Job ID has been listed. Current job state is in pre-processing and destination is L file. Next, to check if the job has finished processing, we can use PDQ command. So here we can see that the job has finished processing and it is in retained state. We can also use PDLS command along with the job ID to check the job status. So this command gives a detailed list, and here we can see previous job state is in processing, current job state is retained, and job completion status is success. Now let's verify whether hosts document is present in temp folder. Yeah, so we can see that hosts is present in the temp folder. We have successfully submitted a job to file destination. Similarly, we can submit a job to any other destination. With this, we have covered generic delivery pathway and job flow. Thank you for watching this video.